The spark plug on the Trail Blazer 250. It looks ancient, first of all. Completely ancient. And you can tell it's ancient because the tip is worn down so far, if it'll focus. Hold on. Yeah, the electrode and the main tip up top is worn so far that it's gapped now at past 0.050 when it should be at 0.028. So that's not good. That would definitely make it run poorly. So who knows how old this spark plug is, but that's definitely not good. So there you go. We're still diving into it. Got the flywheel off, so we'll be able to replace our electronics down here. But this thing is rather complex to tear apart. To get all underneath here and just make sure everything looks okay and all that. And it's definitely going to need a substantial cleaning. As you can see, it is filthy. But yeah, I've got some parts on the way. We're gonna do ignition coil and a couple other electronics, that are relatively inexpensive and easy to swap out. But yeah, that's how she's looking so far. 2006 Polaris Trail Blazer.